Median and median x are useful statistical functions to compute the 50th percentile of a column or an expression. Median is nothing but the short version of median x. Median x iterates over a table and returns the 50th percentile of the expression. Let's see that with an example. Here I create a variable sample data that contains several numbers, and the median is between 4 and 5. Indeed, we have 4 values before this point and 4 values after that. That is why if you compute the average, you obtain 5, but if you compute the median, you get 4.50. And you can compute that with median because it is only one column, or with median x that produces exactly the same number. You need to use median x when you want to compute the median of an expression. For example, if you want the average or the median of the expression quantity times net price, then you need to use average x or median x because you iterate over sales and compute the expression. Finally, median x returns the 50th percentile of sales.